Hey, what is up you guys? Okay, today I'm going to be doing a re-upload of my tutorial for Belter by Gerry Cinnamon. Okay, apparently the first video there were some issues with the video and the audio syncing up. Okay, so I'm going to re-upload it now. Hopefully this one's a lot better for you. Okay, so in order to play this song you're going to need your guitar in standard tuning and your capo has to be up here on your 5th fret. Okay, so let's get straight into it. So the first chord you're going to need is an E minor for that intro. Alright, so to play an E minor, you're going to take your second finger, place it on the 2nd fret of your 5th string, and your 3rd finger directly beneath on the 2nd fret of your 4th string. Okay, so in the intro, you're going to hit that 6th string and strum all the way down. Okay, now that's the only chord you're going to need for the intro. Alright, so this finger just stays there. Alright, these two fingers stay there. Now the first little bit is, alright, in order to play that, okay, so the first one is a 3 on your 1st string, then an open on your 1st string, a 3 on your 2nd string, and then an open on your 1st. Okay, so that's that first little tune there. So this is why I'm using my 2nd and my 3rd finger, so I've got my pinky free for doing this little stuff down here. Okay, and then the same again. Strum that E minor. This time it's 3rd fret on your 2nd, open on your 1st, 3rd on your 1st, and open on your 1st. Okay, so the first one. Okay, and 3rd is the same as the 1st. Now the 4th time through is a little bit more complex, right? So I'm going to break this down for you. So first you're going to take your 2nd finger and place it on the 2nd fret of your 3rd string. Okay, you're going to slide that up to 4, then play 3rd on the 2nd, then 4 on the 3rd again, 2 on the 3rd. Okay, then you're going to play open on the 2nd, open on the 3rd, so far. Okay, and then to finish it off, you're going to do 2nd on the 4th, open on the 4th, and then a strum in E minor. Okay, so. Okay, now that's your intro, alright? Nice and simple. Alright, and then that iconic, she is a belter, right? Okay, so to play that, it's your E minor, and all you're doing is strumming down, and then up strum, palm mute. So just practice that. Gradually build it up so you get that speed, alright? Alright, and in that you're going to add a D. So that's 4 and then D again, okay? So to play a D, you're going to take your 1st finger, place it on the 2nd fret of your 3rd string, your 2nd finger underneath on the 2nd fret of your 1st string, then your 3rd finger goes on the 3rd fret of your 2nd string. So that's your D there, alright? So we'll go like this. You're going to add that pinky in onto the 1st string on the 3rd fret, on and then off, so something like this. Okay? Now I'm going to play it nice and slowly for you and then just work up that speed, alright? Alright, now just practice that over and over again until you can get up to speed. Alright, you can either strum it with your pick or you can just use your palm. Alright, so that's that iconic She Is a Belter bit. Okay, so now for the verse. Alright, you're going to play an E minor, then a D, right, then a C chord. Alright, now to play your C, 1st finger goes here. Alright, on the 1st fret of your 2nd string. Your 2nd finger comes up here onto the 2nd fret of your 4th string, and then your 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of your 5th string. So there's your C, sorry. Okay? Okay. And back to that E minor again, so. And then just repeat that, so E minor to D to C to E minor. That's your 4 chords, alright? And they just repeat, alright? So. Okay, so that's the verses. Okay, so your first verse, then the second verse is exactly the same. And then you have this part, it's called, I kind of go with the no happy endings, alright? No happy endings unless fairy tales come true, because she looks like a princess and there's no much else today, right? So for that part, you're going to play a C, alright? The new chord, your G, alright? The last chord you're going to need to learn for this, alright? So to play a G, your first finger goes on the 2nd fret of your 5th string. Your 2nd finger goes up here onto the 3rd fret of your 6th string, and your 3rd and 4th fingers go onto the 3rd fret of your 1st and 2nd. Okay, so that's your G shape. All right, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. Okay, so C, G, D to E minor. And then it goes. And then it goes back to your She Is a Belter. Alright, so that's the C to a G to a D. And then back to your. Okay, then you have the 3rd verse comes in. Then you have that no happy endings part we're playing again. So that's your C, G, D, E minor. So that plays again, and then you finally end on She Is a Belter. She Is a Belter. Okay. Anyway guys, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you and there wasn't any issues with the video and the audio. Alright, so just let me know down below in the comment section if you do have any more requests. Make sure you check out my request video on my channel. Just go on my channel, just scroll back. And that's what I'm going to be taking the requests for my songs for, okay? So, if you do have any requests, chances are if you put a comment on here, I'll just reply to it and ask you to put it on there anyways, alright? But that's where I'm going to be taking all my requests for my videos from, okay guys? Anyway, I hope this video was helpful for you, and I look forward to seeing you all in my next video. Take care, bye-bye.